What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Car Breaking L, getting ready for Stature. Brand new release day, early bird Stature. You're looking at a 16-box fresh master case here. We're doing 8 boxes of this. It is random style. Your teams ended up like this. Excuse me. Craig, Rangers. I'm going to go ahead and do the one-on-one guess. If anybody wants to go ahead and try in the comments, you guess a one-on-one, we find $100 in your pocket. Craig, Rangers. Daniel, Toronto. Brad, Florida. Julia, New Jersey. Paul, Detroit. Jonathan, Minnesota. Mark, Calgary. Rudy, Arizona. Ryan, Nashville. Shane, Washington. Kevin, St. Louis. Justin, LA. Clifton, Vancouver. Chris, Seattle. Brandon, Boston. Noel, Buffalo. Jordan, Chicago. Justin, Islanders. Rod, Carolina. Brett, San Jose. Buddy, Anaheim. John, Philly. Dustin, Pittsburgh. Cameron, Colorado. Daniel, Montreal. Peter, Dallas. Daniel, Ottawa. Shane, Winnipeg. Dawson, Edmonton. Andrew, Vegas. Blaine, Columbus. Jeremy, Tampa Bay. All right. There's teams. We'll keep them down in the corner. We're going to roll dice here to figure out which boxes we're doing. I mentioned in the comments a little while ago that we were going to have to do the other side of an open case that was already cracked, but we don't need to. The UPS, I keep saying UPS. FedEx driver came through in the clutch. Seal cases are in, ready to go. So we're going to bust this open here. All right. Pretty in purple here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 will give us the left side of the case. 4, 5, 6 will give us the right side of the case. Here we go. 3. All right, left side it is. All right, there's your 8. Now, brand new product coming at you. 8 cards per box. 1 autograph a box. You might find 2, but 1 autograph a box. You're getting a few number cards. 2 base. Everything gets shipped. Even the base gets shipped here. Okay, base cards coming up first. We got Taylor Hall. All right, so let's try that again with a better focus. Taylor Hall. You might find some updates in this stuff too, 2021 updates, maybe some 1920 updates. Martin St. Louis. Some nice names on the list too if anybody checked it out. There's a rookie, number 399 for the Tampa Bay Lightning. 362 at 399. Tampa Bay, first hit. We got a green, number 149, Shane Pinto. 66 of 149. Ottawa Senators. Ottawa got a nice little checklist in this stuff. Lots of rookies. Shane Pinto. Rookie excellence. Number 75. Tanner Janot. Shiny, shiny. Nashville. Rookie excellence. It's like a pink. Speaking of updates, I think we got one. 12 of 22. Gabriel Fortier. Tampa Bay. There is a pick a team break of this stuff posted for tonight. There's 5 teams left, I believe. 5 teams left, so if anybody's interested, pop over, grab one. That'll be breaking later tonight. We also got another random break going up sometime this afternoon, being posted. Drake Batherson, Ottawa. And Protege, Calfoot. That is an update, I do believe. Tampa Bay. Yeah, that's from last year's Stature. Tampa Bay Protege. All right, first look. Base starting us off, Panarin, Tiravainen. Cole Sillinger, $3.99. Hold on, give me a second. Let me fix that camera a little bit better. There we go. That should be better. No, there's no getting the glare out of it, though. The cards are too shiny. Blue Jackets actually got a not a bad checklist and are pretty good price, too. Nice looking card. Legendary. Heights. Lanny McDonald. 74.75. Calgary Flames. $74.75. $149. Paul Coffey. Pittsburgh Penguins. 33. $149. Cam Atkinson. 15/25. Low numbered. 15/25. Philadelphia. Rookie auto, $199, Taylor Radish. On card autograph. That autograph's a little rough. Tampa Bay. And last one here, Bernie Nichols, New Jersey Devils. Box 3. Connor Garland, base card. Kinsel, all base are shipping in this one. Gregory Hoffman, $3.99, Blue Jackets. And a green Brett Leeson, number 99. Green to 125, Morgan Barron. Hoping to get ourselves at least a patch auto here per case. Here's Jake Neighbors, rookie /65, St. Louis Blues. Patch autos and Stature are nice. 65 on the back here. We got Denny Senko, Florida Panthers, rookie, excellence. And autograph number, not numbered, Marc-Andre Fleury, Chicago Blackhawks. Chicago. Chicago's Jordan. Box 4, halfway mark. Billy Smith. Petrie. And Mason McTavish. Ducks, $3.99. Got a solid checklist in this stuff. Number 299. We got Joe Sakic, Colorado. 21/99. That's 66, sorry. 21/66. My bad. I think one of those was 66 earlier too when I said 99. Rookie red team match Joey Keane /75. Carolina. Justin Barron. Number 22. Colorado Avalanche, Justin Barron. Number 3. Protege autograph, Victor Soderstrom. Coyotes. We got the store open in about a half-hour time. This product's going to be on the shelf. Ready to go. You're going to be seeing more breaks of it this evening, later on the night. And another rookie, Anton Lundell. Rookie excellence. All right, that's the halfway mark. All right, here we go. Mike Modano, Legendary Heights for Dallas. Batherson. Base, Talbot base, rookie $3.99 Vegas. Bob Bourne, 67/125 New York Islanders. Ooh, nice card. Pavelski, color match. Dallas Stars, 149. Woo! We got Yammer Yager, 44/65. That's a nice card, but that's not what I'm Ric Flairing about. 44/65, Pittsburgh. We got Pittsburgh. Dustin. Nice card. Let me get a one touch for this card. Absolutely gorgeous. I think I got one here somewhere. All right, check this one out. Number 210. Woo! And his jersey numbered. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. 4 of 10. We got Bobby Orr. Nice. On card 4 of 10. Jersey number Bobby Orr. Absolute beaut. Nice card, 4 of 10. Beautiful. Boston is Brandon. Nice card, buddy. Sharp card. I don't remember the 10s being red last year, but maybe I'm wrong. Bouvillier. Islanders. Suzuki. And we got Rookie Excellence Vegas. Rookie $3.99 Buffalo. 366 $3.99. And 149 Columbus strikes again. Tarasov. Okay. We got Stutzel, number 99. Anze Kopitar, number 35. I hit the same card in my box that I opened. 32 of 35. And autograph, green, number 2 of 50. Jason Zucker. Jason Zucker, Pittsburgh Penguins. Nice looking card anyway. All right, we got 2 left. I like it. I've been a fan of Stature since it started coming out. Dallas. Damani. The only thing that's missing from this Stature, unfortunately, is Cole Caulfield. No autographs from Cole Caulfield in this stuff. Don't know if Montreal already knew that or not. But yeah, that's the case. That's why they're so cheap in to pick your team. Usually they would be probably about $200 or so. I think they're what, $90 or something. Lots of number cards for Caulfield, but no autos. Not a good situation. We got Joel Eriksson Ek. Base. Got Mike Bossy. And Thompson. $3.99 Ottawa. Nice card, 266 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. 20 of 66, Austin Matthews. Nice looking card there. Got another green. Quebec Nordiques, Guy Lafleur, number to 125. No patch auto. Might be in the other side of the case. Rookie Boston, 22 of 22. Keep your eyes peeled, though. We're going to be doing more breaks of this stuff if you're interested. Probably one more random break being posted. Not probably. One more random break being posted, and maybe another pick your team. Maybe we'll do a half case pick your team or something. 199 rookie Minnesota Wild. We're down to the last pack. I don't think it's going to be a patch auto, but let's see. It's not. Matthew Chuck, Calgary. Thought we might see a box with an extra autograph too, but never. Base. Dawson Mercer, $3.99, New Jersey. Lots of hits anyway. We'll take that. Here's a 149 St. Louis Blues. Green rookie. In a red color match. 6/75 for Detroit. Joe Veleno. Two hits left. Philly. Number 25, low number 12/25, Cam York. And last call for a hit, last card in the case. Boston, of course. Boston already got the nicest hit of the case. And they're going to get the last hit of the case, too. Rookie Excellence. Boston Bruins, rookie on-card autograph. Nice break for Boston. Shout out to Brandon. Nice hits. That's it. 8 boxes, couple questionable, 8-box case, couple questionable boxes, but nice product, nice looking product. Lots of numbered hits. We're going to see some nice autographs. Hoping for some patch autos later today, too. So drop in store if you're interested in the box, and we'll talk to you later today. Thanks for joining us, guys. Don't forget, go big or go home. Peace.